Investing can be really complicated and it can be really simple. You don't have to know how to build a discounted cash flow model. You don't have to know how to analyze a company. I mean, I think you should learn. That's what I do. That's what I enjoy doing. But if you don't, you can find a good manager with a really long track record, and I mean a really long track record. You can invest with that person, leave your money there. Don't worry about the ups and downs in the market. And if we have a big event where the fund pulls down, you put more money in then. Then you will produce a better return than they do. And that is very powerful. And you don't have to be super smart to do it. And it can really have a dramatic impact on your returns.